My name is Leonard and I came from the Netherlands. What inspired me to cook on the egg is that I used to have a restaurant, and I think there is no other kitchen equipment what can make a flavor to your dish like the big green egg.
My name is Rich Bayhurst. My full-time job, I'm a police officer. I got bit by the big green egg probably about 10 years ago when my best friend got a big green egg, tried the food, and I was hooked. Ever since then, my kitchen gets neglected and my barbecue space gets appreciated on a daily basis.
I won a contest, Atlanta Falcons tailgate champ, and the prize was a big green egg. They contacted me and said, hey, would you like to kind of hang out at the corporate headquarters and watch how we cook here? And that's how I started doing it. And I was enamored with it.
Hey, I'm Felicia. I'm India, and we're Black Girls Grilling. And we from Atlanta. That's right, straight from the city of Atlanta, Georgia, but our roots are in Dooley County, Vienna, Georgia. Vienna, Georgia, yeah. What inspires me to cook on the big green egg is this versatility. I'm telling my friends and family all the time, there's really no need for me to fire on my stove because the big green egg does it all.
Cooking on the big green egg not only means a lot to me, but it brings my family and friends together. Anytime we get a chance to go out, everyone ends up at my house.
You all inspire each other to do some crazy stuff with the egg, what you can usually not do with another type of barbecue or kitchen equipment.
I get excited every year for this thing, and I've been volunteering for over 20 years. I have helped chefs from all over the world, and so I get excited, and this is really a testimony to what you can do.
From smoked oxtails to our not your grandma smoked butter pound cake, every single thing we put on that egg, we put it on there with love, and it comes out chef's kiss.
I'm most excited about this event this year. Even though this is our third year in this competition, it's the 50th year of the Big Green Egg. It's just amazing to know all the eggheads and how we gain information from them. They gain information for us, and it's so inspiring. And I just love it.
We're perfect for our purpose.
Perfect for our purpose.
It is.